What is up, Mugenites? My name is Mr. Twitchy, the night portion of Mugen Eclipse. I say that because normally this is a dual reaction channel. However, my partner in crime has yet to read this section of the manga. I literally just read this section of the manga no more than 5 minutes ago, and I was requested by one of our viewers, I believe it was Hood Magic and someone else, to react to the Darkness Devil animation by Vitotcher. So a link to the original video will be at the top of the description down below. Please go show your support to that. And thank you for creating this content and for hopefully allowing me to react to it. But with that being said, guys, if you like today's video, make sure you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more content for Chainsaw Man. Every Tuesday evening, 8:15 p.m. Eastern, we will be reading through a volume or a half a volume of the manga. And then every Saturday around 3 p.m. Eastern for the second half of any part ones of a volume. But with that being said, let's get right into the video right about now.
Now, whatever you do, don't push this button.
I am Groot.
Uh-huh.
I am Groot.
That's right.
I am Groot.
No! No, that's the button that will kill everyone!
Have a good trip, Tolka. The sound effect of the six-fingered hand coming down. What do you guys think hell would sound like? I feel like it would sound like this. And what is that? It's like a bathtub? Or someone's shoe? Where are we? Huh? It's Hayakawa's group. Huh? Denji? Sorry, I won't speak no more. It's so impressive when people do this moving manga animation. The editing is just on another level. Temporary truce. Yeah, we know what happened at the end of Volume 8. Angel is sweating, just like I was sweating in this reaction. The Hell Devil. I didn't actually question that in my read-through. I'll have to talk about that at the end. Primal Fears. Nah. This Darkness Devil is so scary. I also wonder if Makima is a devil or has a contract with the devil who has never died before. Because she was transported to hell. She was able to transport herself out of hell. And she seems to be one of the top tier players in this universe. Oh. Oh, I love the sound effects that they're using. There's nothing latum about this. Oh, quiero. What does that spell? I can't spell anything. My arms are off. Oh, and I love the transition of using the limbs to flip the panel. And the static in the background is also really filling the ambiance. Now, I wonder if it has eyes in the back of its head, or if it's got an aura locator, like a UAV radar. Because he was not looking at the stone devil when he grabbed it. And I think also the stone devil was invisible. And guys, please don't confirm any of these questions that I'm asking in this reaction. I'm just trying to fill this in a little bit so the original content creator knows that it's not just me profiting off of his content, or Fujimoto's content for that regard. Interesting, that was the English translation for the sound effect. I thought I remember seeing... Oh, God. I saw that too! I thought I remember seeing the Japanese kanji in the version that I read. Weird how Denji wasn't able to make contact. Dead, 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 and dead. Oh, Lord. Nah. There's people that are built for this. I would not be built for this. If I saw the darkness devil in front of me, I would just bleed out till I die. How does that work? How does she transport? Correct. Crack. Crack. Omae wa mou shinderu. Woo! And Aki's just taking a good old siesta on the mall roof. Please, 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 guys, make sure that you subscribe or at least like the video from Vitotcher. This was awesome. I love the sound design that they used in accordance with the manga panels being moved in and out of frame, the blurring. I do somewhat wish maybe that there were voice acting for that. I don't know. Maybe that's just a me thing, but great video. I'm really glad that I was recommended to watch that. And thank you to everyone who joined me for the live stream version of Volume 8. My partner, Vante, should be doing his own reaction to Volume 8 in a video format. So if you're looking forward to that and you see this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel down below. And other than that, I will leave you with this. This is his catchphrase and his way to end the video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay clean. We'll see you in the next video or stream, and peace.